All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to add a stroke, a gradient stroke. So let's get started. I'm using text here because I wanted to show you that it does not work on text. You have to create outlines. So if you're trying to do it to text, make sure you go up to Type and Create Outlines. And now these are objects as opposed to letters, font, and you can now edit them individually. So I'm going to go up to Window, pull down to Gradient, and then you can see the gradient has the stroke and fill, just like your swatches or your colors over here. So we're going to apply the gradient, and now it is on there. I'm going to get my stroke palette out, go to Window, Stroke, there we go, and bump it up a little bit so we can see it. So there we go, we can see this pretty good. And okay, so let's go ahead and do some color changes and just mess with the actual gradient. So you see you have your color sliders here. We got white, black, and then this is your middle fader to show where the fade starts and stops. And then you can actually bring this out as well. It's like more black, less black. And now if we want to change the color of this, you can double click and it'll open up. It's got some swatches. You have RGB sliders, whatever document mode you're in. But an easier way to do it, you can have any of your color palettes or swatches here. You see how I've got this here. And you can just drag one out and just drop it right onto the dot, and now you've got red there, and we still got white over here. You can change that color, or you can, I'm just going to drag this out here. You can just straight drag one out and drop it. Now we've got three, and you see all the faders and the sliders come right into play. So they still work just like when the black and white one. Pretty rad. And if you want to get rid of a color, you can just hit delete. And you can also just add them here, like just boom, click. And then I'm going to drag this in there, and I'm going to add another one, and I'm going to drag blue in there. And yeah, you can go to town with where they start and stop. And then I'm going to zoom in a little bit here and show you different styles. This is more of like a beveled style, and this is more of like a fade out one, so it kind of fades into white. You see that? Maybe if I switch the colors, you can see that a little better. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so the end of it's like blurry. And you can make that more blurry or less blurry. So pretty cool stuff, pretty powerful. So that's basically the gradient fill. You got options galore, and just remember you can delete one out of here and just mess with it. Don't be afraid and just undo it, delete it, redo it. But that's the one thing about Illustrator, just get your hands dirty. So that's it with a gradient on stroke. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.